Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar, click on it and tap on agree. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and create an event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and over here, for example, naming it. Over here you can pick one of the occasions. You can pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by clicking on the sweater next to all day. You can also set up notifications, add guests, choose location, and some other things. When you're done, click at the top right corner and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always delete it by holding it, clicking on this bin icon over here and selecting OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!